Namar ke jingjor ki Kam Sniew khamtam ki nong pen khen an Sha Surok ba kabalawan ra bun ke jingdu no ki min siem hakini ki khindiat banai balale kakin hon ki pulit ka ribhoi hapo ka jingalam hi superintendent of police UVC Rathor hindin kamin kila Talasi na phangi ki kali pen khen an Sha Surok ba national highway khamtam ki ba pinstat palatput ki ba di kiat hakapor banyak kali ki ba pinyang kham akor ki ba ket palatput bat kumju ki kali he ki ba ya nakajaka bamde lani ka wrong side wat hadin bana kaliang katnat pulit ka juai jinghi kai Talasi bat kumjuru bandan kuna nakapor shakapor habakranch kilat pathai KHUBOR USP garib hoi ula ong batang hakini ki khindiat banai balaleng palat arphongut ki minsim kiladu nak jingja accident kali harib hoi district bat kathong jong ki pulat ban pinlong ka jing Talasi Sha Surok ba am tangi ki bapin khen a nya kali henrei kum juru bante la kam shibon ki Kam Sniew kum ka jing khai drugs ka jing rung tu kinong Bangladesh e India bat kum ju na India ha Bangladesh lingba ka jilla Meghalaya ki jing sha tu kali bat kiwe.
Yeah, this checking has been going on for many days now, continuously, every day, sometimes during daytime, sometimes during nighttime. As far as this district is concerned, there are three, four major types of crime where life and property is lost. One of the most important offense is road traffic accidents. Last 3 4 months, we have seen more than 20 deaths because of these traffic accidents. So when we analyzed all these incidents, we found out that most of these accidents have happened because of three, four more reasons. Mostly, one is overspeeding, especially the bikers, especially during weekends, which we are aware. Apart from overspeeding, drunken driving, that is driving under influence, is another major reason for these accidents. And then a lot of especially heavy motor vehicles are parked on the national highway, which is illegal, so that has caused some accidents. Apart from that, overloaded vehicles, and then these heavy vehicles driving in wrong lane, these are also some reasons because of which accidents have happened. Apart from accidents, road traffic accidents, there are certain other crimes, the trend which we are seeing. Movement of Bangladeshi nationals, both sides, from India to Bangladesh and from Bangladesh to India, has been noticed in last few months, and there have been many detentions in this regard also, which has been reported in media widely. Then another major crime in this district is vehicle theft, especially two wheelers, uh, especially this Royal Enfield bikes, Ntorq scooties, and Yamaha R15 bikes. Apart from that, there are certain cases of crime against women and children also, and drug peddling also. So these checkings are being conducted in the district around the clock in order to keep a check on all these activities. There is no single purpose. Of course, the primary purpose is to check drunken driving and overspeeding, but we want our checking to be a deterrence to antisocial elements, and we use these nakas for multiple purpose in order to sometimes to investigate, sometimes to prevent crimes. So this has been going on. Apart from nakas, we are ensuring that whole night our teams are on road patrolling, so that you will agree with me, most of the crimes happen especially after sunset, before sunrise. So we want to check that. And apart from these two, we are conducting a lot of awareness programs also, so that people are better aware about all these things. Yesterday also we made an appeal, especially to our friends from media, to highlight this issue, because a lot of precious lives are being lost in freak accidents, which is absolutely avoidable. And we are going to launch a VDP movement in the district in next 1 2 months. We want VDPs, village defense parties, to be there in every village, each and every village without exception. We already have around 100 VDPs in the district, but total number of villages is 600 plus. So next 2 3 months will be taking it on a war footing and ensure that VDPs are there in every village so that they can act as eyes and ears of district police. Apart from helping us in preventing crime, they will be quite helpful in detecting crimes also. And we are also ensuring strong investigation within the ambits of law so that there is a deterrence, there is a fear in the heart and minds of these antisocial elements, not to disrupt peace and tranquility in the district. So it's an ongoing effort. It's a ongoing effort. It will continue in days to come.